A lot of civil designers are at a crossroad at the moment. Do they continue paying large amounts of money yearly for CAD software that hardly gets updated? Or do they start looking for low-cost quality alternatives? Let me introduce you to some cutting-edge design software that has become the driving factor for change for many civil designers around the world. Civil Site Design with BricsCAD provides civil designers with fast, easy to learn and dynamic technology contained within a familiar 2D CAD environment. In only a few mouse clicks, I'm going to have this entire subdivision modelled. So let's get into it. My surveyor has provided me with some survey points, and I'm going to use these to generate a tin surface. You can build a surface from many different data sources and apply edits to the surface, such as adding break lines, boundaries, or deleting and swapping edges. Once the surface is created, you can customize the display of contours and triangles, or even display an analysis such as the slope arrows or elevation shading. Labeling in civil site design is dynamic, so if I add and move a label in the drawing, then it will update when changes are made by the user. If you can draw a polyline in CAD, then you can easily create an alignment. The Create Alignment command allows you to convert a polyline into an alignment object. In my case, I'm going to use the Auto Create Alignment command to create multiple alignments for my roads. The alignment geometry can be easily edited via the Alignment Edit command, or you can grip edit the alignment geometry in model space. Using the template editor, I can create a typical section template for my roads. The Create Section button allows me to define a section with up to 10 layers of subbase, and by using the Create Curve command, I can easily define my curve shape. So this is where the magic begins. By selecting Auto Road Creation, Civil Site Design will build all my roads using the alignments in the drawing. Not only that, but the software has also come up the best fit vertical design for each road. I can open up as many section and profile windows as I want, and as I move vertical IPs up and down, the section views update instantly. I like any command that has the word auto in front of it, and this software has plenty of them. Using the Auto Curve Return command, Civil Site Design is going to detect all intersections and add curve returns with a default radius. By selecting Auto Model, I now have a dynamic design surface which will update as I make changes. Now that I have a model, I'm going to display it in the 3D viewer. I can leave this viewer open and my rendered model will dynamically update as changes are made. Watch as I edit the radius of one of my curve returns. I can also use this 3D viewer to add objects such as cars, perform site distance analysis, add line marking, and output flyover videos. This is really cool. Cul-de-sacs can be modelled just as easy as curve returns. All I need to do is name it, pick the road it is attached to, and select a horizontal template. By clicking Compute, the cul-de-sac has now been modelled. I can use similar tools to model roundabouts and also bus bays just as quickly. Civil design software should be this easy. I have now completed my road network, but watch now as I grip edit the alignments. As I edit the geometry of the alignments, my road, intersections and cul-de-sac are all being remodeled. This feature-rich software also contains powerful grading tools. These can be used to model retaining walls, detention basins, or even car parks. The grading object is polyline driven, so all I need to do is pick a polyline, select a template, and the software will build the model inclusive of the corner cleanups. If I grip edit the polyline, the grading object updates as you would now expect. I can also review cut and fill volumes for the model whilst working on the design. And now to the outputs. By clicking Volume Reports, I can see all my sectional volumes and the totals for the materials. These reports can be outputted to tables in the drawing or exported to CSV files. If I adjust my road profile, then these volumes will update. I can also easily output section and profile views that can be placed automatically onto layout sheets with my title block. If I make changes to my design, then these will automatically update and quicker than any other civil design package out there. Styles are used to manage the display of these views and can be easily customized to suit your drafting output standards. Thank you for the opportunity to show you some of the features of civil site design with BricsCAD. We are 100% confident that civil site design will not only increase your team's productivity, but our low cost and flexible licensing options will save you thousands of dollars. If you like what you've seen, visit www.chasmtech.com to learn more and book a no pressure call or web presentation.